Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Fraggle's World of Toys. If you remember in the last episode, Fraggle showed you all his Matt Hatter villains. And today we've got something special for you. We are going to be doing not one unboxing but two unboxings of the Matt Hatter goodies. So the Matt Hatter Chronicles, we have Matt Hatter and who we got?
Don't know.
Roxy and
Gomez.
So we went to the entertainer toy shop. So we'd like to thank them for having them in on special offer. So we got them. Entertainer's a brilliant shop. We get a lot of toys from there. And so we're going to get these Matt Hatter Chronicles, good guys, opened up and see what they're like. So if we want to start with Matt Hatter himself, Fraggle.
Yep. I have some bad guys that opened up.
If you watch our previous episode, you'll see all the bad guys that we had, all the villains.
Glasses.
Now we still have a few more to get. We've still got Grandpa to get, we've got the vehicles, we've got Lord Teneroff, we've got a few more villains, and we've got the Chronicles book still to get, but we have a lot of them now.
Yep,
So here's Matt Hatter himself.
Yep.
You want to show everybody, Fraser? Show everybody Matt Hatter. There he is. The boy himself. So, what did we get in the box? Have a look. So, we have his goggles, which is obviously lets him go multiverse, multivision.
That makes him
We've got his wings here, his glider. So,
I did put this. Oh, hang on, wait.
Let's have a look at the back, it'll tell us how. Let's see if we can see how to get these on. Yeah, let's have a look. Let's see if we can get these on.
I'm gonna get out this stuff.
We've got his wings back on, and here they are. So that's Matt Hatter with his wings, and Fraggle is going to put his glasses on so you can see multivision. This is a cool toy, isn't it? Let's have a look. And he's got his wings on. Right, you want to put the
things in his hand.
The cell blaster and
The cell blaster goes in
the hand, is it? And then the Chronicles go, that's it. So there we go everybody, there is Matt Hatter. He's got his wings on, he's got his night
glasses.
His multivision glasses, he's got his cell blaster, and he's got the Chronicles, which is just top. Okay, let's say
bye-bye.
How cool is that, Fraggle? Right, let's get Roxy and Gomez open.
My hand was so very my dad. Hammer, we're going to get him. Hammer does not want. Hammer like he's angry.
That's a brilliant addition. That's such a cool model. I like how it's got the cell blaster and everything on that as well. We've got Roxy and Gomez, his two sidekicks.
Don't store you not a sidekick.
How are we getting on? Are we getting them out?
Go on so someone get out.
Let's have a look.
There we are.
There's Gomez.
Yeah.
And here is Roxy.
I'll take it out.
And here is Roxy.
Wait. Yeah, but cut out.
Mhm.
There's the staff.
Roxy's staff.
Wait a second.
If you just push, she should just come out.
Wait a second.
And Dad to help you. And there is Roxy.
What is this?
Let's have a look at Gomez. Here he is. He's the clever one with all the cool gadgets. And let's see Roxy.
Right. Do we all three, Dad?
And here is Roxy.
Roxy doesn't understand.
So that's us, got 3 of the good guys now, and Fraggle, are you happy?
Yes.
That's it, because before this we only had the villains, and obviously Fraggle loves the TV show, the Matt Hatter Chronicles, and he's finally got the good guys. Well everybody, thanks for watching, and next time hopefully we'll have something else to unopen.
Yes, like it's Grandpa.
Like Grandpa or Lord Teneroth. Okay Fraggle, say bye.
Bye.
Bye.